2, 1, go.
This is the Blindfolded BMX Bike Build Championship.
Oh my God.
A 4-part series where myself and 3 of my best friends, Dustin, Sponge, and Cody, go head to head to see who can build a BMX bike the fastest, only blindfolded.
There we go.
Oh no!
Did you guys not? You guys.
It's in the water?
Stay tuned as we crown a champion.
Call that done.
Counts. Holy crap.
First up was Sponge, who set the standard and showed us what to do and what not to do with this challenge. Then there was Dustin, who had a little bit of difficulty. But he managed to get the bike built and finish the challenge. And then we had Cody, the no-nonsense approach where there were almost no funny moments, but we did get one. And he came in with the score to beat at 15 minutes, 10 seconds. And now here we are at my part, the final part, to see if I have what it takes to win the Blindfolded BMX Bike Build Championship.
I'm glad you had this idea, Sponge, but this sucks.
Well, if we can't get through this, he's gonna have a tough time on this bike build. Started on 3, 2, 1, go.
Pockets. They didn't think pockets.
Right.
No.
Brand new strategy.
Oh my God, I'm so quiet.
10 minutes down.
It's funny how when you're the one doing it, how you don't want to talk.
Yeah.
Like you're paying so much attention to.
Yeah, it's difficult, man. I think I messed up already, but I don't think it's a crucial component. I don't remember if I have the bottom bearing even in. God, I don't need that part. Can someone just tell me if my bottom bearing's in?
Yep.
That'd be cheating.
Look at that. He's not only is he building the bike, he's improving it. Weight reduction, right?
Yeah.
There. Okay, we're just
yeah,
learning
pocket.
from a master class.
Pocket.
Oh my God, that would have been so funny if he was just filling around for that and I forgot he put it in his pocket. Dude, well, cool. You're on fire.
You're on fire, dude.
Lava. Wait, so I did put the bearing in my pocket then? I put the bottom bearing on. I don't want to mess anything up, that's all. Now, see guys, when you're putting together a bike blindfolded, you want to make sure that you don't trap your chain behind your sprocket. Oh, dang.
You talking about not wanting to bang on the sprocket. Everything is just slow hanging.
Well, it's not. The bottom bracket spacer is not lining up with mine. There we go.
Don't need that spacer in there.
Make sure chain doesn't get stuck in there. Put that one on. Grab your other crank on. This one goes like that. This is on the side. This is here. Do we care?
What would be the
It's
first
not
one that was
perfect.
made it straight?
Dustin's wasn't perfect, but that's fine.
Way to just beat me up. Man.
Mine's probably not perfect either, though. I don't care.
Ours is straight, right?
Yeah, that's fine.
Brand's all about the time, man. You don't care about.
Yeah.
I mean, we didn't set any rules for. Oh no, that's
Or standards, I guess, as long as the bike could have been rideable.
Yep. It's here. Okay, balance. When you're putting the bike on blindfolded, you definitely want to make sure you put the seat high enough that your stand doesn't get stuck and straight. Jeez. Make sure your seat's on facing forward. Okay, that's good. there. What's left? Pedals. Pedals go on and tighten towards the front of your bike when your bike is right side up. Find that talking myself through a blindfolded bike build helps me not mess up as bad. You know what I'm saying? I'm still so nervous.
Yeah, just wait. Just wait.
My bottom bearing in.
We'll see.
He asked that like at the beginning.
I'm scared that it's not, okay? I would let it go all the way till the end and then be like, nope, man, your bottom bearing's wrong, you gotta fix it. That's pedals are tight. This is there. Oh my god, I hate this part. Off, here. Pretty clever. Right side, hang like this. Yeah, you're not kidding. I think having your eyes closed also. I lost the bolt. I feel like having your eyes closed also helps you visualize what you're doing. My bolt on the ground.
Yep. Whenever you were smacking the cranking.
What? Oh, okay. That's what you guys were laughing at. Dude, this is a struggle. Okay, we're gonna have to play the hot and cold game
Yeah.
at some point,
Yeah.
but I'm not worried about it right now. Oh my god, where did I put them? And when you're tightening your stem down, you want to do a star pattern. What was that?
I don't know.
That was part of my bike?
I don't know.
Was it actually? God.
Don't dent your frame.
Pissed. Dude, I just did a matrix move. That was dope.
Look like a shadow boxer.
It felt like I did something cool there, even if I didn't. How it felt matters the most. All right, let's play hot and cold.
Lukewarm, cold. 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 Warmer.
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 Oh, it's in the water? No, it's gonna rust. Where's that towel? Is it not there? Oh, it's not there.
Oh!
Thank you.
Right in the face.
I swear.
Is it the handlebar? Or-
Front right bolt. I'm gonna have to grease that.
Those handlebars been making eyes at me all night.
Oh my god, I gotta stop putting these Allens down.
Cold. Cold. Cold.
For real?
Ice cold. Cold. Iceberg. Titanic. Antarctica.
They're on the ground.
Cold. Cold. Warm. Warm.
They're in the water too.
Warm. 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 Cold. Cold. Warm.
There we go.
Oh!
They were in the water.
Hey, finally, it's getting funny.
Yeah. Well, somebody getting funny in here. Freaking making big mistakes. Putting the bike together. My time, I'm probably at 10 minutes already.
Closer to 20.
Yeah,
I figured.
I really thought you were gonna beat Cody too.
Yeah.
No.
Whatever, man. We don't. You never have to put this video out.
Yeah.
I'll be
He
super
puts the
hard.
video out and it's just me and you.
Yeah. These guys really suck at putting bikes together.
I'll be 60. Like, you either hurt to grab water at being one time.
Yeah.
Gotta get on the bike.
13. Wait, that was the left side. That's the side. Calculate. What did I drop now? God. Damn, Cody thought this through because I am struggling.
You gotta use the posture.
Struggling with this so bad.
And like just chicken Alfredo or anything that's so.
Sorry, Dustin.
For what?
Oh, I thought you were behind me.
I was, and
Dude,
I can move,
why
though.
is this not lining up? There, because you have to separate it.
Yeah, you gotta spread it.
Unbelievable.
Got it first try though.
Damn, you think I can see? That was crazy. Cody, did you win yet?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Okay. Alright.
I mean, I think I won when I did it, you know?
What?
So I think I won when I did it, and I just knew.
No. Man, this is a cluster battle.
We haven't had one single chain tanglement. Well,
Not yet.
yeah. He's just over here throwing it around.
Good. I'm glad you had this idea, Sponge, but this sucks. Like, I feel like it should have already went in there and it didn't. There.
Oh no.
Oh no. Trying to trip me up. Oh yeah, you can't do that.
Did it look like I was rushing that fast? Real quick and
No, you did really good by
You were methodical.
and you were holding parts like in place instead of setting stuff down. I think that's what me and Dustin ran into. We kept setting stuff down.
yeah.
Dude,
But you were like you held the fork at the one point.
if I could do it again, seeing what I've seen, I know I'd do so much better.
Yeah.
I hear you laughing at me, Cody.
What does that mean?
Because I had to fork backwards.
Oh, yeah.
Nobody took the stand away from me.
Oh, it just goes.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
That way, this. Oh, you know what I didn't do? I got a little bit of a mishap there. You're supposed to tighten your headset before you tighten the side bolts. So, make sure to do that. And, oh God, that feels so bad. Please tell me if my bottom bearing's not in.
Don't see it. Somewhere. Put the hub guard in for the bottom bearing.
That's fair.
Man, I didn't know 30 minutes could go by so
I know.
quick.
That is fast, isn't it? Alright, I think I'm good. No, I'm making sure I'm grounded. Dustin, are you far enough away?
Oh yeah, I'm clear over here.
Alright, make sure I don't fall, please. Yeah.
Yep, you're good. Yeah.
Oh, hard. I knew I forgot that.
Loser.
Woo! Cody got me by 30 seconds.
No, wait, I kept dropping like a spacer.
Now, how did I do?
Yeah, bars,
Not great. They're back.
cranks are not straight.
Back wheels, decent. Crank flippable. Cranks are definitely not straight. I knew that.
Oh, yeah.
I tried.
Not bad.
I tried. So, we're gonna grease this bolt right now. Dude, when it was in the water, I was like, no!
Well, it was so funny, like you were going to tighten it and we saw that you left the wrench down. We were like, oh man.
Yeah, I had a couple mishaps, but I'm more so wondering what combination of condiments Dustin gets to drink.
Oh.
Listen, when that idea came about, you were against it.
Well, I'm for it now, yeah.
All right, whatever. You know?
That's fair.
If I do some nasty ass shit,
Then we gotta compromise. I vote 20 push-ups.
whatever.
Is that fair?
Yeah. I like to say first, but I didn't go first. But going early like that, you know what I mean?
Oh, yeah, you're testing the waters for everybody.
Yeah, for sure.
Well, 27 minutes.
Ooh, I can't even do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 26, 27. Earned it.
You can eat now.
Yeah, you're allowed. Wow. You're allowed. That was fun. My bike is terribly built. I did a horrible job. And I didn't beat Cody. Good job, Cody.
There at the end, you had the opportunity to beat him. You kind of sat there tinkering with shit.
Yeah, well, I wanted it to be right.
I know, because
Yeah,
I better, you know.
Yeah.
It was like 14:45, and you.
I could have just wrenched it down and did it.
Yeah,
I know.
Right.
I know.
If you would have known that, you probably would have.
I know I was thinking it at the time, but I was like, no, I'm going to slow down and do it right, no matter what. Fun.
After watching
There you go.
everybody, I definitely feel like I could shave at least 3 minutes
Dude,
off.
huge.
At least.
I think back to when I was doing it, and I was just doing it. I was just playing with you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, I was just, you know what I mean? I'm like, man.
Yeah.
All right, so we'll see you next time when we do this again. And it'll be fun.